What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another delivery video. So today's a fun video because it is the delivery day of this Jeep to the winner. So this Jeep was our 5th build and giveaway. So we built it here on YouTube, documented the entire process, and it was a giveaway build. So at the very end of that build, we went live and had one entry randomly drawn. And Kenroy Robinson from Virginia was the lucky person that had the winning entry number. So we'll just hop straight into today's video, but you could be next with this Dodge Magnum. We could be driving all the way to you or be flying you out to pick this thing up here in Florida, pick up some merch and get entered to win this thing. So let's get into today's video and let's go meet Kenroy. All right, here we are, getting the Jeep loaded up. We are about to head out, so crazy. This is the last time we will be seeing this Jeep. So we are Virginia inbound. Super excited to meet Kenroy. Okay, we made it to Virginia the next day. So we were working on getting this thing unloaded. It is so cold. So let's get this thing unloaded and then let's go drive this thing up to Kenroy and hand over the keys. Okay, so we are about ready to meet Kenroy. So I am waiting right here, parked on the side of the road. My dad is getting him all mic'd up, so he's getting those first impressions recorded. And then as soon as he gets Kenroy mic'd up, he's gonna send me a text, and then I'm gonna drive down in the Jeep and meet them and meet Kenroy.
So, looks like all of the mics are going. Just look for a place to pull off. Okay, I see him right here, so I think I'm just gonna pull right here. Alright. Dang it, it keeps falling off. Okay, let's go. Hey, finally! The day has arrived. How's it going? How are you? I'm good. So here's what I'll do. I'll put this mic on you. Okay. So just go ahead and slap that on your collar or something. Okay, all right. Brandon's just around the corner. How are you?
Yes. Randy.
Nice to meet you, Randy. So he's just up over here, so as soon as we give him the green light, he'll pull it in. Okay, so awesome, that way he's got a microphone he's going to put on you as well, so I'll try and remember that. Okay, awesome. But yeah, it's just all about like finally getting it.
Finally get it, man.
Can't wait.
So nice to meet you. So nice to meet you.
Very nice to meet you.
Yes, man. Can't
so
wait.
Excited.
Super excited.
All right, let's call him in then. Yeah, the delivery mornings are always just so many little pieces and then we have to unload it from the trailer. And in 20 degrees, my fingers don't work the same. Not quite the same.
I understand.
Okay, so here we go.
Awesome work, man.
Oh, thank you. Awesome. Like, it's been such a fun journey.
Yes.
Like the way it's all just evolved, and really credits to all you guys. You guys are who make all of this possible.
Oh, man. Awesome,
and
man.
We just love being able to be a part of it.
Yes, sir.
And these are our favorite parts right here. It's so much fun.
Can't wait to hear the baby. Excited, man. Yes, man.
You're excited?
Yeah.
I'll wait to ask you too many questions till he gets here, because then he'll ask probably the same questions, because we're both, we love hearing a little bit of the backstory.
Absolutely.
Hearing how it all went. And
yes. I can hear it a little bit.
All right, I'm driving down his road.
My text never came. There we go.
Whoa. Wow. Wow. Man, that is clean.
That's all yours,
that
man.
Color. Wow.
Wow. Nice to meet you, man. Holy wow.
That's,
you don't
it's
mind?
a beast. Yeah, absolutely.
Get a mic thrown on you.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
So this one, that goes on the outside, and then it has a little magnetic piece.
second.
All right.
You're sporting a sweatshirt as well?
Absolutely.
I loved when I saw it come through. I'm like, this is for Kenroy. Yes.
Absolutely. The color is amazing.
There it is.
The color is amazing.
Is that not beautiful?
It is beautiful. Like on the video, it doesn't do it justice, man. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Wow.
So crazy. This thing is yours. Sorry.
I can't believe
I wish we could have gotten it washed. It was just
that's
so
all right.
cold
That's
this
all right.
morning.
That's all right.
But
This is beautiful. You guys do amazing work.
I appreciate it. I'm glad you like it. Yeah, check it out. It's yours.
Woo. Yeah. Man. Wow. Wow. I love that chop. Wow.
Nice. Is that yours right here, this charger?
Yes, yes,
nice.
that's mine, yes.
Already red too?
Already red. My favorite color.
You got two Mopar. Wow. That thing is awesome.
Thank you. Yeah.
Here it is. Oh my gosh. So how does it feel? Like,
man.
Here, I think I got the keys right here.
Oh,
those
wow,
are yours.
Man. Thank you. Thank you. So I came home that day. I'm like, damn, I didn't get to tune into the live. So I said, let me go on YouTube real quick and watch it because I'm watching you guys for a little bit over a year now. I saw when you guys did that. I didn't see the black Charger, but I saw the Chrysler.
Okay, that's our
the blue Charger. Yes. And so I came home. I said, let me tune in and see what's going on. And I remember my draft. I remember the numbers. I remember one of my numbers was 1197.
Okay.
So when you guys draw that number, I'm like, that's me. And then my name pops up. I'm like, man, I was so excited. I didn't know what to
crazy.
do. I didn't know what to do, honestly. I was running in the house. I was jumping. I was like, I can't believe. And then I tried calling you guys right away, but you're in a meeting. So I couldn't get through. I emailed. I did everything.
Yeah, it was awesome. I can't believe it. I can't even imagine what it must have felt like seeing that number and then seeing your name attached to
my
it.
name.
So you
like,
knew your number.
I knew my number. Yes, it was 5 different numbers, but one stick out to me and it was 1197.
Wow.
And that's the same number that
That's so crazy. That one number, and now this thing's here all the way up in Virginia, and it's yours.
Number 5.
Number 5.
Number 5, man.
Man, and I'll show you.
Yes.
It is pretty loud right now.
Yeah.
But this is one of my favorite little features too. This is the remote for the exhaust.
Yes.
So if you hold,
Quiet.
and so when you're idling, and even when you start it up, it's quiet.
Yeah, I can tell.
So when you're wanting to just cruise down the street and not,
not wake
annoy
up my
neighbors,
neighbors.
exactly.
Wake up early in the morning every day. So
Yep.
I can just
But then when you're ready to floor it, you just press the middle button. I think you might have to hold it. Or there you go. I think.
Yeah.
Yep. And then it comes back.
That chop is nice.
That is so fun.
Man.
Wow. First Virginia winner too.
Yes.
Man.
I'm so excited. Man, I'm gonna baby this. I'm gonna have fun, but I'm gonna baby it and take care of it, man. Yeah. This is nice. This is nice.
It's so cool. Check out the sunroof. That's one of my favorite things.
Oh yeah,
It's
all
got
the way back.
heated and ventilated seats, the giant sunroof.
Man.
Like, it's got all the cool features you want.
I'm telling you.
Air suspension.
It's
Air suspension.
Get it on off that trailer, he just lifts it up, and it comes, just walks right off the trailer.
Look mean, sound mean.
Exactly.
It's gonna look sweet parked right here next to your Charger. That's gonna be so cool.
It's gonna be so nice.
Man.
Oh man. I can't tell you how much I appreciate you guys, man. You guys really do good work.
Oh man, well we appreciate you because we wouldn't be able to make this content and do these builds without you guys watching and especially join into the giveaway, trying your luck. So it's really only possible thanks to you guys. So thank you. It's awesome being able to do this, and
I'm telling you,
man,
the joy.
I'm gonna miss this thing for sure. This color.
This is a beautiful color, man. I like how as you walk, the sheen changes.
Yeah.
Like it looks bright here, then it gets dull, and as you go around, it gets brighter again.
No, it's crazy. That chrome, it always looks different depending on how you're looking at it, depending on how the sun hits it. So,
man.
And then with all the gloss black accents, it looks sweet.
This is a gem.
It is.
This is a gem.
Man, you said you're getting deployed soon.
Yes.
Well, thank you for your service.
Thank you. So I'm going to leave it my good friend and brother here.
Let's go. You're going to take care of it?
As soon as I come back, go pick it up.
There you go.
Keep it warm for you.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yep.
Absolutely.
Holy cow. Well, let's get the title and stuff signed over to you. We could take it around if you want.
We can. Absolutely.
Okay.
Run and grab the title real quick.
All right. You want to go for a spin?
Yeah.
All right. Yes, sir. Soon come back.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
And it's weird because sitting you have a Charger, so you sit pretty low with those.
Yes.
How does it feel sitting up here and
It feels good.
Jeep. It feels good?
Feels good. But the handling also feels really good. It's pretty tight.
Yeah. I know, for
Yeah.
being a SUV and not even like an SRT,
Yes, yes.
it handles pretty good.
Yeah. Oh man.
There we go.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah, that cam and the chop. Oh, and that's something I wanted to mention too. We have all of the original exhaust and stuff in the
Yes.
truck.
Okay.
So I don't know if my dad mentioned that, but
Okay.
we have all of those
man.
original parts.
Oh, whew. Can't get over this sound.
Oh, you can't
Can't
beat
get over
it.
this sound.
A cammed 5.7.
Man.
You have any other plans for this thing, or just gonna?
So, did you guys put cold intake? I can't remember if I saw
No,
that.
it
but
does not
that-
have a cold air intake.
That would be the first thing. Then I'm getting some tints.
Nice.
But
Yep.
in terms of like performance-wise, no, I think you guys got it nailed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
got it
so
nailed.
cool,
Oh,
man. Because I think the back windows are tinted, but these front ones I think are pretty
Yes,
clear, so that'll
yes.
look awesome.
Man. Whew. Can't wait to get on the highway. Almost there.
Are there a lot of other Mopars and stuff around here? Or?
Not much. I've seen some. And I have a couple of friends who have like a Hellcat and
Okay.
stuff. But yeah, I haven't seen a lot of Mopars in Detroit though.
Okay.
Mopars for days.
Is that where you're from?
Yes.
Detroit? Okay.
Yeah, Detroit.
Nice.
Yes. Yes,
You like
man.
Sitting
Oh,
idle.
man, So good. So good.
Oh, I'm gonna miss
So I
this
remember
thing.
Jan was saying that like everybody should meet up, do a meetup.
Yes.
That's a great idea.
I know.
That's
We'll
a
have to
really
try to
good
figure
idea.
out like a good middle ground
Yes.
for all the winners, because that would be a blast.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
Go on some sort of cruise with all of us. That'd be so much
yes,
fun.
Yes.
So great.
Yes, that would be so great. That was such a great idea.
I know.
These
that
chargers
was.
sound really mean too.
Oh yeah,
Yes,
that
really
thing
did.
is. That thing was full straight pipe. So with this one, you still have cats.
Yes.
And then those mufflers, but that was full straight,
Straight
pipe.
pipe. Man, this thing just want to run, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, it wants to run. I'm gonna give them a little room so I can. That sounds so good. That
Let's
sounds
go.
so good.
Man,
Drive it right.
Yes.
that's why I think that exhaust was one of my
Yeah.
favorite things we've done, because you can
Yes.
drive it with the exhaust. Yep.
Yeah.
There we go. That is how you do it.
Man.
Let's go.
Yes.
Man.
This is sweet. This is sweet, man. I can't stop smiling, bro.
I love that. That is awesome. So have you guys been
man.
getting a lot of snow?
We didn't get much, so we got a little bit over the weekend, but then it started to rain.
Oh,
So you just
okay.
washed it all off.
Dang,
Just
I
wash
heard
it all
you guys
off.
are getting hit with another storm this weekend.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Man.
Yeah. Oh, man.
Yeah, it's so weird. We're not used to seeing snow on the ground.
Brandon barely brought shoes. He's always
I was about to bring my slides, and I'm like,
Yeah,
no, it might be
grab your
cold.
shoes, yeah.
Yep.
Good idea. Good idea. Paddle shifter works nice too.
Yeah, I've never really used the
Yes.
paddle shifters, but
Woo.
I bet they're fun. You can get some
Yeah.
nice downshifts.
Well, yeah, get a pop.
Yep. Oh my gosh. Wow. This thing is
This
in
is
good
amazing.
hands.
Oh man.
You guys gonna have tools for this.
Oh, I know.
So good.
Well, that's what's so cool is like, it's just pure luck.
Yes.
Pure luck. There you go.
That's nice.
Something's meant to be. It's meant to be, because being that lucky
Yeah.
number.
I'm telling you.
That's crazy. Out of all of those entries, you were
Yeah,
the
I
one
was
that
the one.
had the one entry.
You won it. I'm telling you.
Oh my
Oh
gosh.
yes. Oh yes.
These people are like, let me get out of the way.
Wow. Yes, sir.
Oh my gosh.
On the highway smiling.
Oh yeah.
I know.
Yep.
All day long.
You don't even need to listen to music.
No,
You just listen to the exhaust.
listen to the exhaust all day long. And it's still pretty quiet in the cabin.
It is.
Yeah.
Yep.
We're not like shouting or anything like that. It's
Yeah.
Still, that's a great idea.
Woo. Yeah. What did you buy again? Was it just that one mug?
That one mug.
Wow.
That one mug.
That is so cool. Lucky mug.
I'm telling you. I was trying to get that the keychain you had with the ratchet on there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
And it was sold out, so I said, let me try the mug.
Okay.
The mug
Isn't
did it
that
for me.
crazy? That one purchase
That
right
one
there.
purchase.
$20.
That mug did it for
Wow.
me.
Cal, yeah,
This
let's
is-
get you the
yes.
title.
This is pretty.
It's so cool.
This is pretty.
Yeah, some tints would really go a long way with
yeah.
this thing.
Oh yeah. Send it all the way in.
I'm excited. I'm
happier.
so excited for you.
Couldn't be happier. Man.
This is one of our favorite moments, is being able to meet you guys
Yes.
and like just see your reactions, driving it for the first time, and then, you know, has it really hit that like this thing's yours yet?
Yeah,
Has it sunk in?
It started sinking. It started
is?
sinking.
That's so crazy. Like we're gonna go get back in the truck, drive off, and this thing's just staying right here.
Oh man,
So cool.
this is nice, man. Yeah, I'm going to all the car meets now.
Let's go.
Can't commend you guys enough.
Well, thank you again. So which one is gonna
Yeah.
be your daily and which one's gonna be like your
Daily, my special
occasion?
Yeah, special occasion.
I love it. Wow, this thing is sweet.
Yes, man. Thank you. And I took props from you guys. You guys did that sweet liner. I did the same thing.
Nice.
did the
Oh,
same
that looks
thing.
amazing.
Yes.
Holy cow.
Yeah.
Well, that's actually the same thing we're about to do with the Magnum.
Magnum.
Yep.
Nice.
Isn't it crazy the difference that makes?
It
Like
does.
it feels like an entirely different car.
Entire different car.
Wow, that looks awesome.
Yep.
It's sitting super nice.
Yes. Yes.
Do you have any issues with
can't
it like
break-
rubbing at all, or?
No
Nope.
issues at all.
Wow.
Oh yes.
This is making me excited to go build another one of these. Here it is, the lucky mug.
Oh man.
That is crazy. And was that your very first order, or just?
No, this was my second. That was my second order.
Okay.
This was my first one.
Oh, nice. Same thing.
Yeah, man. Really nice.
Wow.
That mug right there.
Yes.
That is so cool.
Yeah,
Man, how do you feel?
I feel amazing. I feel grateful. I'm just full of gratitude at this point. You know,
Let's go.
It is. It's just an amazing experience, and to meet you guys actually in person too, and to be able to actually drive the car that I won, it's an amazing feeling.
That's awesome. I'd love to hear it.
So,
I can't believe this thing is yours. Yeah, why don't you give us one last start up with it?
Absolutely, absolutely. Be my pleasure. Oh yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna miss that sound.
Man.
So drop some W's down in the chat for Kenroy. Thank you again, man.
Thank you.
Only
Thank you,
possible
guys.
thanks to you, and you deserve
appreciate
this
you all.
thing.
Man.
You definitely deserve that win, and we'll have to plan something with the meetup.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Let's go. Congrats, man.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
All right, well, thank you all so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Once again, drop some W's down in the chat for Kenroy. He was such a cool guy, and you could just really feel that good energy through the video. You could be next with our Dodge Magnum. You still have a shot at taking this Magnum home, and we're about to get going on the supercharger install. So this Dodge Magnum is going to be crazy, and you could be the person getting your name called and having a delivery video filmed with you taking the keys to this monster. So go try your luck on the website, AtlanticBeachCustoms.com. But thank you all again, and we'll catch you all this Thursday for our next Magnum video.